I'm really feeling the heat. I love a good brawl. Quit making yourself an easy target. You don't know when to quit. It's time. Easy pickings. Got a burr in your back.
Double kill.
You'll need more grit than that. You're stuck.
Do you know about invincibleness?
Just what the doctor ordered.
Yeah.
Are you like, you know like what's happening in it right now? Looking at that Emperor mark. It's kind of cool.
I never miss my mark.
Double kill.
He looks cool, bro. Like the Flocon. What he's bounding. Then we see in the TV show him getting his abs like, think, Mark, think. I know he goes to the past.
Strongest. Dude, the way they do that multiverse is fucking crazy.
I need to like, I only read it on TikTok. Well, I need to like sit down and actually read it.
Like,
I know it's
bro.
really good.
It's time.
Ugh. I really want to kick out Ethan real quick so we can play. So
You could play a comp game.
No. Because brother just does not communicate.
Let's take him to the wasteland.
Alright, you got a drink in your hand?
Double
I can make one.
I'm really feeling
Alright,
the
make
heat.
one. I'm about to... I'll take a shot with you.
Oh, a shot? I mean, I can pour a shot. I really don't want to.
I mean,
but
if you want a
can.
shot. I mean, it's up to you, bro.
No, I'll take a shot if you want. If you want to take one together, I'll just get my chaser downstairs.
Where there's
Yeah, bro,
smoke,
we can do a
there's
salute.
fire.
Little salute.
Let's take him to the wasteland.
See that?
Dude, I have a water, a Coke, and a fucking like energy water. So I'm like hydrated. Am I gonna pass the fuck out as soon as I lay my head down? Yes.
Chew on that.
But that's why I need a French onion soup, please. Ugh.
I get a French onion soup, please.
Easy pickings.
Ooh! Ooh, I'm on fire! Alright, sorry. Sorry, Ethan. Your shits are too long for me.
Guarantee he's gonna get back right as the game starts. Guarantee it.
Too bad, Chuckle Nuts. Dude, I don't know why, but it's so weird when you you don't date a girl, but she's still you both still have like feelings for each other in some way. It's weird.
Mhm.
It's very weird. Like, wow, you still like me after all? Well,
Yeah, I guess.
That's. There's no fucking.
are you fucking kidding me? You little shitbag.
Y'all can play.
Ah!
I'll play you competitive.
Okay. Sorry for my outrage. Andrew Lee fucking called it.
I said,
Yeah, I heard y'all.
the moment is.
Oh
You was
my
there the whole time.
No, I was just sitting right, like, 10 feet away. But
Bro took a shit with on his computer.
He brought the whole setup with him. He's like, look.
Bro, that's what you should do. Get like a big ass Ethernet cable and just put like your PC on like a wagon and just bring it with you.
On a bar cart,
Yeah, just like
just roll it in.
yeah.
I have an alternate account. Just roll it in and join us.